My video guide is about removing the adware type program that is called QuantityExact. QuantityExact is an adware type application that our researchers discovered while looking through new submissions to the VirusTotal database. We also found out that QuantityExact is the adware belonging to the adload family. Adware can require certain conditions to be met to run intrusive advert campaigns, which likely applies to QuantityExact adware too. For instance, advertising-supported software may not deliver advertisements campaigns unless the browser or system specifications or user geolocations are compatible. In this case, the adware might not show ads, but in some other cases it may display the great portion of advertisements. Regardless of whether QuantityExact displays adverts or not, its presence on the system endangers the device and user safety. If you have discovered this QuantityExact adware, you should immediately remove it. So go to Applications, find QuantityExact, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. We also recommend you to additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, but it has got certain free features such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these free features will help you to essentially boost up the performance of your computer. As I said, first of all, the program will update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper malware detection and subsequent removal. So you need to wait a little bit until the software updates its anti-malware database. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. The website combocleaner.com detects your operating system, so it shows the version that is most applicable in your case. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin researching your computer and will give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning. Combo Cleaner works very well to detect and delete the majority of threats, including adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other types of infections. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scan. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats, and based on this information you will be able to remove certain threats manually, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically, and with this Premium version your computer will always be protected in the future.